So today I'll be showing you how to make use of avatarify fake video call software using SplitCam and on a gaming PC. So you first search Anaconda prompt. So we open that. You will type cd space avatarify-python. You hit enter on your keyboard, then you run windows.bat. This command will be in the description. So we just wait for it to load, and it's going to bring out the cam window. So this cam window now, if you click on the cam window, let's click on the cam window, then you press X on your keyboard. It's going to bring the avatar window. Another important thing here is that make sure your face is well lit, placed in the center of the box, and stable and invisible to, that's why I say it should be well lit and stable. So this one, for this I'll just turn off my cam, and if you press X, it's going to recalibrate the pic. So let's search SplitCam. You open SplitCam. So on SplitCam, I just want to delete all the previous media layer that I have there. So you just delete that and add our new one. Share display, share windows. You select avatarify. With the window that is open, you will select avatarify. So what shows here is what shows on the application we are trying to use, being it WhatsApp, Telegram, or whatever I choose to use. So we adjust it to fill in the black spaces. So this is exactly what we'll be seeing. So let's test this. Let's use WhatsApp, for example. So this is WhatsApp. So if we start a video call, it's going to be showing that. But before that, let's go to settings. You click on video and voices, and you make sure that SplitCam video driver is what is selected there. So if that's what's selected, then good. You can start the video call, and what's going to show is the image, the avatar that is selected. That's what is going to be showing here. You understand? So that's how it works.